superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchiri amone company ya mabati rolling mills yukuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntubwate showroom asura achagwirigiria amabati anda usialia utagete showroom yetu nigo engale iyurengia na wigo ekogokie liso yao chingaki ogoswasa yigakurigiria amabati aiga ntubwate timu tembo abuwe bagokolemirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingiye chugo kwarigania na wigo cho teberie kende gensi uragania bagoteberie company ya mabati rolling mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuari ye chikala ao na wigo ayuwiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao na mono babwate normal corrugated na wigo box corrugated aswigo babwate boomerang ayuari aye chigech emerungetato asama mabati aliaje chigech emerungibire na isaro nesato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na wigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na wigo web design babwate yigani kabwate chikala buna bono lia chako grey brick red tile red maroon sky blue na wigo na green obutambe bwe mabati yiga niko bokolengana amo nukonyagwe customer babwate bintu bindi wigo ebyo ochukanyara kwa bogo tumuka chingagicho gwakerenya mabati yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase oulu MRM showroom onyare kwa bogo kwerera amabati yu akomenya sigika ayo chani warrant na wigo ayo urakwaburu wikasure asubwango eduke yiga ya oulu superstores yegutoka se nyumba ya oulu complex imiyumu chuligo musongo iyo rangene duka ya Safaricom wigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetra seti namba chabo 0111161500 Oulu Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Vipi, mbona mbwata hapa? Nini shida?
Unajikuta nani mshikaji wangu? Yaani unaweza ukavaa ujasiri kiasi cha kwamba unaweza kutoka na wadogo zetu kwa mada zetu ambao tunawategemea baadaye waje kuwa watu wakubwa, afu unakuja kuwachezea kirahisi. Oya, Omboi. Sikiliza nikwambie. Bi mkubwa anapata tabu kinoma noma kumsomesha ubinti. Si unanielewa eh? Mimi napambana kinoma noma na kaba huko mzee kwa sababu mdogo wangu mimi aishi vizuri. Afu boya mshamba kama wewe unakaa na pumbavu wenzako mnashawishiana kuja kutongoza wadogo zetu. Hivi si wangu, naomba nikuulize. Kuna wanawake wangapi uko wanajiuza? Mpaka wengine wanatimuliwa katika madangulo. Serious, unakuja kutembea na mwanafunzi?
Chinsa Isano na Ibere cheri tukorea kabere umutinyo gatano na rimo mwaka bwechiri bubere 2025 mwanche muri Getembe TV ekene Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere asenchira ereyo bwenge wisoni makori kuraso muna bwimanyerero banaba sondari kuri studio kabere nera gonkonya kwene kebuna TV chechi na Mario gingo kirachira asenchira yo bwekirano na enchenkoro kwa Catherine Nyaboga kabona into woika omware tokumanye gatiari abereka gwateka korwa imenesco yorogongo rwagusi na togo chaka korwa ase county ya Nyamira nigo ekiama kia UPA kerene kerenga gose kerengerero kyo gochikorikia ababwatani gwetani chimilioni bere gwekera omwaka 2027 nenchira ya moyo gwancherwa kuyo kabere omuwaziri woborene boime omoske Dr. Fred Okengo Matiangi oyore neganga yogo chakorigia ekirogo kyo borai bwense ayangorengana no mo chief coordinator wekia mekyo korase county ya Nyamira asireta John Moriase go kwana chinga kechyo nigo egati abantu ba mubori gose ba musabire oyo kabere omona chebi no monene David Maraga gutigana nekerengero kya kyo kurigia oborai bwense na ribagari aye kumubwatisia omoske Matiang'i na kweneka buna Matiang'i ngosware asoborai
Leche ase obonge nekero koro kae kero president yegoterena maite nkobori nga abantu bari ngobwate leche suti neri ito etagete abantu ba 2 million ekagara toko tware party otware abantu leche sita abantu bari 200 300 yaya abantu batakire babe 2 million ase party none kera bago ikaransa bakubona intange party yao abantu barenge bare leche sati na bitakire ko ba abantu ba 2 million na ibana 5 million dalia ka rakani party ngamoyere *509# erinda bako mataji process ko tiri boka na kyako swa
angor kujulia magare je twaro da bantu abere bakubule president na ntondo bwate candidate yeto Fred Okengo Matiang'i ane nto bwato Molisia Maraga ndoge ntwago sabekera ne twago sabo Molisia to Maraga ache atubekera masabo na kya bana njimode Maraga sabere Matiang'i erine Matiang'i asogari amwega stari bana
Matiang'i tigato moe ka kiomo gusiyo tande gire ebisa kubinde bya irorire aba sigisi bairorire kabere abagikoyo bagambire gatatu mugusita nyakogamba gakintu twanjire Nyamira yaito
Serikali nigo erinekerenga kyogo chakya emiroberi ayo irache gokonya abasai kwegenderera ase amatuko arebosyo gukwana abuigoro kurwase county ya Homape anene kurwase getikia Raila Odinga muraiwense ya Kenya umuske daktari wa Samuel Ruto nigo akwanirete omoroberi onyota oyo rengete gochigokonya abasai chiribu chimi Isano na Isato gati emiaka 15 netatu guika emiaka 23 nabo igo ase abantu bari abamenyete no borema gati emiaka 15 guika 35 ase igo akwanirete ogochikuiranira kwa morobiri okazi mtani oyorache gokonya abasai kuro ase county chonsi 45 Chinsa ya Kenya.
Financial empowerment program for those at the base of our economy. I am pleased to announce that in recognition of the immense potential of our young people, their critical role in the economy and their capacity for creativity and innovation, the government of Kenya has partnered with the World Bank to roll out the 20 billion National Youth Opportunity Towards Advancement Project, commonly known as NYOTA. This initiative aims to empower over 800,000 young people aged between the ages of 18 and 29 years and up to 35 years for those with disabilities by enhancing their employability through skills, training, on-the-job experience, recognition of prior learning, and entrepreneurial development, and the promotion of a savings culture. The NYOTA project leverages the Hustler Fund platform and has already attracted over 1 million applicants for its business support component. This initiative targets at least 70 young people in every ward across Kenya, offering grant funding, business training, and market linkages. We have committed 5 billion Kenya shillings in grants to support 100,000 young people. Each will receive Kenya 50 shillings grant in seed capital to start their entrepreneurial journey by August this year. I am equally pleased to report to the nation that effective this week, we will commence the nationwide rollout of Climate Works, a bold and ambitious initiative aimed at engaging over 110,000 young people across the 47 counties in meaningful work that strengthens their nation's resilience, beginning with informal settlements. Launched last year in Nairobi, the program has recorded significant success and is now
Murai we kiama kia ODM omoske Raila Odinga nigo agwakiri gitambukiro kyo murai wensi omoske Daktari William Samoei Ruto na boigo omonogeri we bunge nene omoske Moses Wetangula kyo gosaba abasaibe kegorigia Gen-Z amabera okwana abugaro omurai omoske Raila nigo abose nigakwanire ogochererwa na boigo ogwitwa kwa abasaibe kegorigia Gen-Z nene mono omwako eta chinga kibare kwamerera ogwitwa we finance bill ase boigo aruro kuboria gochase serikali kwana kyabuna egatie family chiabasai bari babete bagosira magene mabo ngo bachire chigwakano.
We have had a lot of issues 2 years ago. We were on the streets, and even last year they were on the streets, the Gen Zs. I saw that during the prayer breakfast recently this week, there was apologies that were being made, the speaker and yourself, which is wonderful as a first step to reconciliation. But then there's the issue of people who are injured, some people who died during that time. I want today to say that we should do compensation to families of those who died and those who are injured, so that we can have a closure to this chapter of our national history today. We want Kenya to...
Na togoska bosio mugavana we county ya Homa Bay omoske omoswati Gladys Wanga nigo aruro kobore gochase serikali enene kwana kyabunango sirere emerobiri yobochenu a sechi county gokwana abugoro Wanga nigo agokere getambukiro kyo murai bwense kyogochora omoske John Mbadi buna omwaziri we kegancha gya serikali na boigo omoske Opio Wandaye buna omwaziri we chinguru cyo morero ase boigo agokerete serikali yabo magose ogochamo ko murai bwe kyamakirigia ODM omoske Raila Odinga na boigo okobwatana no murai bwense ya Kenya.
We are aggressively addressing infant and maternal mortality and combating the triple threat of gender-based violence, HIV, and teenage pregnancies. Your Excellency, following cutbacks in foreign assistance, we call on your government to assist county governments in recruitment, in financing recruitment of healthcare workers and regularization of UHC staff. On behalf of the people of Homa Bay, let me thank you for appointing our sons, CS National Treasury, Honorable FCPA John Mbadi, and the PS Interior, Dr. Raymond Omolo, to critical dockets in your government. Your Excellency, let me celebrate our unity in progress. The success of Homa Bay has been achieved by working together in our quest for development as captured in the ODM 10-point agenda. I thank you, Mr. President, and Your Excellency Baba, for coming together to ensure that no Kenyan is left behind through this broad-based arrangement. This is how we will tackle the challenges confronting us, by having everyone on board the Kenya prosperity ship, the men, the women, the youth, the persons with disability, the elderly, the marginalized, and all 47 counties. As we celebrate 62 years of self-rule, let us recommit ourselves to national unity, progress, and development.
Mugavana we county ya Kisii omoske Paul Simbarati nigo akwanire meroberu ya magendro ase county ya Kisii. Okwana abugaro chingaki araete moyego omadereka koro ase getige chigosorkia Gusti Stadium Simbaniga akwanirete ogo abuaga chibwegeti ekyo ase boigo akwanirete ogo chegosira ko meroberu yoboremi ase county chingaki checho omoske Simbanigo arurokuboria na boigo obosemego chia saba gusibonsi ko babangaini na gocha mobuna egesaku na gosira oyo mwabo oyo barache osegosokya bosi bobochori bori mutubo mwaka 2027.
We have distributed over 200 hard-to-travel tickets to farmers, introducing a tip cash crop with the year-round. Coffee farmers are benefited from strengthening cooperatives and improved access to international markets, resulting in a higher returns. Our tea industry continues to thrive with 7 active factories and over 91,000 registered farmers. In 2023, tea farmers earned 2.6 million industries. A testament to their hard work and country's agricultural potential. We are working closely with the national government and key body of Kenya to secure additional market and better prices for our farmers. Sports plays a critical role in uniting communities, promoting health and nurturing talent. I'm proud to announce that Kisii Stadium now meets national standard and has been approved to host Kenya Premier League matches for our own lazima tukuane ne sauti yemo, lazima tuwabantu benshi ande tutwabira abantu benshi tutare na ebisaku bibye bihota otware tabiri obwategura tumanye wanza kwegige sakwe kamesekemo tubasakura amamuntu abantu abamuntu tubagane lazima tubabanga bamwe tubagane tunyaye butare sabaremo
na togo chigokorera omugavana we county ya Embu omoske omswat sisirimbarire ojiboigo oromonyakirogo bwe kiama kirekia UDA nigo amotire gati ya barai korwa obomo bwa Kenya kwanza gukwana korwa seskuru yoboroso ya makima egotoka mbere South e county yochingaki arekora omoyega omadaraka marire nigo atiani na goteba nigo arachigwasura na boigo gosokia igati ya barai abatagete osabarine kirenga kyogo chia gosaria obomo bwo.
Nimeanza kuona kuna watu wameanza kunipangia njama na ni watu wako kwa serikali ile mimi napigania kila siku. Most officers from Nairobi who are coming to Embu to hold night meetings to fight elected leaders na hawana heshima na wanajifanya wanaelewa siasa ya Embu kutuliko sisi. When we are working round the clock to fight for this government, tunaambia wakome. Wanajijua those officers. Na wakiendelea I will mention them. Na niwaambie hivi, mimi ni wa before, nimekuwa katika siasa miaka mingi. Msiniletee, otherwise I will talk. Msiniletee vita kutoka Nairobi. Mniambie mmekuwa wapi wakati tumekuwa tukipigania William Ruto hapa Embu. Vita kubwa sana. Tukazunguka hii county na MCA na deputy. Tukisema kujeni tuingie kwa serikali tusaidie.
Chiavuto kire chitaika ikomina Isano nemo gore Chinsa Isano na Ibere chabono mugaso mwancho umurego ikiraga bunongo chwikira umwere we Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere asenchira yobengo umwere ikomina nchikoira nagiga ngoretera yomona yande asenchira yobengo ngoro kwa Catherine Nyaboga balna basondari kuri studio kabere rongonya kwene kebuna chibichechi na marengo ikirachira asenchira yobo ikirano nabo go wisoni makori ne rongonya kuri asomuno ore bo imanyire tomera na Chinsa chikomi twara burige borobia.
Superstores Nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills ilikuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntubwate showroom asura achagwirigiria amabati anda umsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo engale iyuerengia na wigo ekogokie liso yao chingaki ogoswasa yekurigiria amabati aiga ntubwate team tembo abuwe bago kolemirimo ase showroom yiga babwata chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na wigo cho tebelie kende gensi uraganie bago tebelie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo au ayuari ye chikala au na wigo ayuiga bwata chi profile net gauges au na mono babwate nemo corrugated na wigo box corrugated asimigo babwate boomerang ayuari aye chigech emerungetato asama mabati aliaje chigeche merongibire na Isano na sato mbabwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile grows na wigo na versatile mat MRM niko babate lifestyle aywago chana Roman Jinko nawigo web design babate ligani kabate chikala buna bono lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue nawigo na green obutambe bwe mabate liga niko bokolengana amo nukwenya gwe customer babate bintu bindi bwigo ebyo ochikonyera kabo gutumika chinga cyo gwakeranya mabate liga ase nyumba yao tutari lero ase ou MRM showroom onyari ko bagokwerera amabate yu akomenya segeka ayo chani warrant na wigo ayo orakoburu kasure asubwango edukenyega ya Uhuru Superstores yegutoka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumu chuligo musongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom wigo tukotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakire simgo transaction number chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Amone